I have stomach aches, whispers, and now lately I've been getting nightmares. So I think that I have black magic. Well, honey, not everything we suffer from can be attributed to black magic. And I've said this so many times. Whenever we have problems in our lives, it's very easy to blame others. So if my child flunks school, I say this is evil eye. If my wife nags me all day and all night, I say she's possessed by jinn. If I come out of the office tired, wanting to go home, and I find a flat tire, I would say that this is envy. And if I don't get a raise or a bonus, I say this is black magic. Someone is haunting me not to get all of these things, or casting a spell. And this is not true. Yes, we believe in the existence of black magic, jinn possession, envy, and evil eye. No doubt about it. But who in their right mind, honey, would come and go to a sorcerer, pay them haram money, and maybe slaughter or sacrifice for the jinn, committing shirk, just to cast black magic or a spell up against you? If it was available or this easy, you can just go to any 7-Eleven outlet and get some. People would have done it to liberate Palestine. It's not that easy, and it's not that convenient. You have to be really, really evil to get out of the fold of Islam and do something like that. So what is it, Sheikh? I don't know. My advice, go to a medical doctor, get a medical checkup, and see. Maybe there's something wrong. Maybe there's an illness. Maybe there is a deficiency in some of your minerals or vitamins or whatever. If all things checks out clearly and good, then you have to refer to ruqya. Make a lot of dua and sujood for Allah to cure you and to uplift any such illnesses, and you'll be fine in few days, inshallah.